Buying a home is often life's largest financial transaction, and how you finance it shouldn't be a snap decision. Setting a budget up front, long before you look at homes, can help you avoid falling in love with a home you can't afford. That's where a simple mortgage calculator by Truth and Equity can help you find monthly mortgage payments to buying your dream home in just a few steps. Log on to our website and enter your mortgage information like mortgage balance, repayment period, and interest rate. It quickly calculates the required monthly payment in a few seconds. Moreover, Truth and Equity guides you to reduce your months to pay off the mortgage in just 5 to 7 years. So, what are you waiting for? Rush up and schedule a free online meeting with a specific associate and discuss your goals at truthandequity.com.